Today I'm going to show you what I got for my birthday. First things first, I got lots of stuff. I got this car from my brother. I love playing the bird. I like showing them, and this thing goes on, but I really have extra time, so I'm going to show you stuff. This has a little sign on it that says police. It has a little box and give out all the stuff right here inside, and it came with her about and the policeman and the number. And then from December I got this big clip. It has flowery kind of pattern. I got this frog. I love frogs. I got this Hello Kitty, like notebook kind of thing. Okay. Ouch. From my aunt I got this chisel putty, and I think it kind of looks of orange, but it's red. From my mom I got this thing of and it's got I got this from the match, and I got this this is got that food in. This I got from my best friend. From my best friend I got this. It's very purity and stuff. And I got this from my other best friend. And then what I got from my sister, I got this bracelet. It has diamonds on it, and I got this ring that matches with my bracelet. Two earring hoops. They are so pretty. And I got this necklace. It's for a special occasion. It's summer, so I don't want to wear it like when I go out normal. When there's a wedding, I need to wear them. And my cousin's wedding is coming soon, so I need to wear them. And from my other brother, I got this necklace. Bracelet. And my brother old girlfriend got me this is John Kitty. This is another thing. I'm not doing what we're going to do because my place is on a book. This thing. It's not for September. And then those are my stuff. Hope you like them, and bye.